FYERS investment zone. FYERS API Bridge allows you to set up algos with Excel, TradingView, AmiBroker, MT4, Python, and other platforms. So, don't just trade. API Bridge your trading to maximize profits and minimize risks.
Hello friends, I'm Jasmine. In this video, we will show you how to use Excel for algo trading without using any coding. You can create algos in Excel using simple formulas, bulk order placement, modification and cancellation, and second, open high-low strategy, third one, ORB and levels-based strategy, option chain analysis, pair trading, technical analysis, etc. For algo trading, you need API Bridge. To start, download the setup files for API Bridge. Go to the downloaded file, right-click on the zipped folder and extract it. Inside API Bridge folder, locate the file API Bridge launcher.exe. Right-click on the file, then click Send to and create desktop shortcut. From your desktop, run the API Bridge and log in using the credentials. Go to the Jumpstart and look for Excel Setup. Follow the instructions here for Excel connection. Test Excel connection using the Jumpstart instructions. Now, let me show you how to place bulk orders using Excel. You can see some default symbols in the API Bridge window. Fill the signal details for which you want to send order. Excel triggers signals when either signal or price changes. We are all set. I will send signal triggers. You can see all orders placed. API Bridge is super fast. Note that it takes hardly 20 milliseconds to place an order. This is 1/5 of 1 second. To place all 5 orders, it took less than 1 second. If you are new to API Bridge, we request you to also cross-check all orders placed using your broker with terminal. You can modify or cancel all orders manually using broker terminal also. However, the benefit of these operations using API Bridge is that you can do super fast. Now, Let us cancel all these orders using signal rules. By sending orders to dummy price, I will cancel pending orders. You can see here all orders cancelled. I can also modify all pending orders. Let us now see how to deploy simple algo based on live data. You can use many free sources for live data to Excel. I am now setting up live data to the format required for API Bridge. To trade using support and resistance, I will add required values. Now, let us set signal rules. I'm creating strategy to buy when price go above resistance and also LTP is greater than today's average price. Similarly, to sell when price go below support and LTP is less than today's average price. All trades will be squared off at 3 p.m. or if they reach a loss limit. See, here what happened after 3 p.m. For other setups in Excel algo trading, please use our help manual. Thank you for watching this video.